Hey, Floricel, Miss Cheryl's gonna pull up your potato now. All right, Cheryl, come on. Come on, wait, let me get a good shot. All right, go ahead. Shake it gently.
I think there's more on the ground.
There's more on the ground, Floricel, don't worry. Miss Cheryl's gonna pull them out for you. Oh, there's more.
No.
It's going up.
All right. There'll be more. We're gonna dig deeper in there in a minute.
The pitchfork through it.
Yeah, Cheryl, pull Rachel's. Rachel, this is your little plant. Come on, Cheryl.
So you gotta shake it a little bit. Or just get a little bit of that dirt off of there.
Be safe. We're all gonna get through this together.
I don't got potatoes, Cap.
Uh-oh. Holy smokes, girls. That one had a lot of taters. Sorry.
Wait, hold it up, Cheryl.
All right, pull it up.
Now hold it. Don't break them all.
What y'all want me to do?
Take your picture. Look up here.
All right, go ahead.
Okay.
Take them off and put them over there. Right there's fine. Right there. Right there. It's just fine.
Nice potatoes.
Want to break them off? Or you just...
Break them off.
Look how big this stem is. Break it off?
Rachel, you had a big old bunch of taters on yours. That was one of the better producing plants out the garden, actually. All right, Pops, go pull up that last one.
Who's that for?
Hold on 1 second.
Becky?
No, this is Beatrice. All right, Beatrice. My daddy's going to pull yours up. Hold on. Move your body over some that way, Pops. Stand right there and face this way. That way you don't block the sun out. Oh, look at that. Holy smokes. My dad's blocking all the sun on it, but lay it down so you can see, because you're standing right in the sun.
You got some more in there.
All right, Cheryl, pull some more out. Come on. Wait, move back out the sun. You're blocking the sun. Let Cheryl do it, Pops. You got to stand with
You got some in the ground, plenty. Hey, when it popped off.
All right, we're going to dig down in there, girls, and see what we find. I know there's some in there.
Yeah.
Oh, another one.
Got to dig deep, Cheryl. They way down there some more. That pitchfork will get them. Feel one?
Oh, shit, another one, girls. You're breaking my bed. Grab that wooden stick right there. Grab the stick. Pops fucked it up. Pop messed it up bad earlier when he stood up.
Close to the wall, baby.
I'm not pointing at your boobs.
Close to the wall.
No, I'm sure they understand why I said that.
You do a lot of editing.
I'm not editing anything. Is that it?
I just see the potato. My finger
Look, y'all, that's a nasty. I was going to show you, but Cheryl threw it away. Sorry, y'all.
That's mushy.
I was going to show them what happens to it from making the plant grow.
Right here, Cheryl. Probably went on that wall.
Like the wall.
Just go along it right there. Not on the wall, on the back wall more. In the center of that hole you dug.
She might have more.
All right. Put all the potatoes together.
Cheryl,
take those potatoes and put in that pile over there.
And let Brian dig right here.
So we can show them. Go grab it. I know you broke it earlier, Pops. When you stood up on it.
You put a little thing like
yeah, I'm going to fix it. All right, y'all grab a bag. We're about to wait, Phil. You're right in her way. Grab a bag and a scale so we can see what the three girls' potatoes weighed. All right, girls. We're about to weigh y'all taters up now on the scale. They were in your back pocket.
Shed it.
See if it blew away. It was over there.
What they got there, B? About 6 pounds.
I don't know. We'll see. It's probably it's at least 5 pounds.
Yeah.
Got
5
one
pounds
under
and
the
a few
bag.
ounces, I'd say. No.
All right, bring the scale over here. Where's the scale? I gotta watch out the weight.
I'm gonna let her pick it up.
Yeah, 'cause it's got to be towards the sun.
Hold on, hold it.
There, you